Peace. My name is Kip. And
people don't know if I'm a boy or a girl, but I'm a man. And, well, I'm really excited to be on this TV show. They came up to me, I won the audition tape, and I'm really excited. As you can tell, I'm shaking because of how nervous I am for this show. And I can't stop kicking my feet, if you know what I mean. But it's not actually my feet that are kicking.
Ciao, my name is Isabella. You can call me Bella. I am the Italian princess of the Pizza Palace, owned by my husband Tony. I told these reality shows like their nationalities. Chinese. I work hard in rice paddy fields for years to become nurse. Chinese, yes? Yeah.
so I'm like an angel. You know, it's funny, my name is actually Angel. And like, I'm auditioning in the show because I should totally be a movie star or a TV star, whatever it's called.
I plan to one day work my way up and own my own 7-Eleven and Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh, my name is Mary, and I work at a hospital. I've been there 35 years. I have 15 grandchildren.
Just stop.
My name is Rip Lee. My goal is to lose some weight. A pound here, a pound there. Thank you.
I was like, peace, man.
Why did you brush your teeth?
Yeah, my name is Katie, and I am going to win this contest if it's the last thing I do. Oh, sure, you betcha.
Hello, my name is Jabu Patel. I come straight from India. I'm a prince where I come from.
Hi, I'm Angelica. This is my little baby Tommy. Oh, my poor little thing. He's a little under the weather.
Time is running short for me, though, if you've read my age. So hopefully he'll take me now.
Oh, just blow, baby. Just blow.